Hello friends. In this video I show you how to make money totally free for PayPal, or you can choose for Bitcoin or gift cards. Here I show you how I am making money with this page. They can earn money every day. If you are in the US, here you will earn more money, and if you are in another place then do not worry, you will also earn money. What we are going to do is to enter the link of the description of the video, and enter the page to register. We just enter our mail and ready. Then you can confirm by entering your email inbox, or later. What this consists of, we just have to complete the easy tasks that ask us here, correctly. And these will give us points that we can change for money. To redeem the money, before we must have entered our data and PayPal mail in configurations. To redeem for money we are going to claim the prizes, and we exchange for $20 money when we have 3,000 points. But we can do it in a few days or a couple of days. Since we will have several offers available, or you can also download your application for mobile and watching videos will give you points. I hope it helps, and make a lot of money. See you.